3. This is part 2. No. This is part 11 at the Air Force or Air Base. We are still in Clark. You may be wondering why is the background. There goes a truck. It's hella sunny. I said to Princess, I can speak Italian. Princess said, oh, say something. I said, bombardillo, crocodilo. Oh, go video. Okay, bye-bye. This front camera. I don't know if we're entering or leaving the airbase. I guess we're entering the airbase. So excited to go to the airbase. So excited. And see the background behind me. So many trees and nature and holes. Holes. Okay. Say hi. Kulangan. Baget kata. Wala. Baget mo? Baget mo? Baget. No. Not this front camera. I'm recording from this, not here. Okay. Psych. I'm joking. Okay, this is Demi 3. I'm going to end the video. Bye.